Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So the first counts are 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 8 you're going to slightly look to the left hand is going to be down and right hand is going to be next to your mouth, and with that same hand you're going to bring it down, 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 and on 3 raise it up. So one more time, 1, 2, and on 3 raise it up like this. Okay, and then for your lower body, you're going to slightly bend your knees, and on 1, you're going to face it to the right, okay, like this. Then on 2, face it to the left, and on end, you're going to face it to the right. And on 3, one more time, face it to the left. So with the count is 1, 2, and 3. So now let's repeat all together. From the beginning on 8, it is 1, then 2 and 3. One more time, 8, 1, 2 and 3. And when you take your hand down, remember to also look down, okay? So 8, 1, 2 and 3. After doing this, we're going to go 4 and. So after 3, we're going to take our cup, okay, right hand, and drink. Then with the other hand left and drink and put the cup down. So drink, drink. And with our legs, we're going to cross with the right leg. The left is going to the back, cross with the right, okay, and then bring the left out, okay, but don't step, just bring it out. So it is from there, right and left. And now let's do this with hands together. So from here, drink and drink. One more time. From 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. After this, on 5, we're going to finally step, okay, our left leg. Then we're going to rub our forehead and rub our belly, okay, all together. So 5. Then on 6, we're going to do this. So it's basically just like throwing our hands left up, right down, and lift your right leg up, okay, like this. So it is 5, 6. So one more time, it is 5, 6. From there, 7, 8. So for this, lift your left hand up where lemon is and cut your lemon 2 times, okay, with your right hand. And for our lower body, from here we're going to step with the left. So bring the right back, okay, and step with the left, okay, like this. So right goes in and you step with the left. Okay, then again step with the right, okay, forward. So step with the left and then with the right, okay, hands together. You're going to cut, cut. Let's repeat one more time from here. So it is 5, 6, cut, cut. Now let's repeat from the very beginning from 8. So 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, the next 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So after we cut, we're going to bring the left leg out and we're going to roll our hands and roll our hands. So roll to the right and to the left. After this, on 3, 4. So right fist goes up, left fist goes down, and you're going to step with your legs. So right, left goes up. So basically it is step with the right, step with the left, step with the right, and lift your left leg up. So one more time, you're going to step, and you can see that my hands are next to my hips, okay, to my left hip, like this, joined together. Okay, well done. One more time. And step with your right, step up. So we don't forget any moves, let's repeat from this part. So we cut, tequila, sun, rise, up. From there, next up is this move. So from our left leg being up, we're going to put it down and take it back, and that hand, our hands are going to move to the other side, to the other hip. Okay, so from here, move your hand to the other hip and then step back. So right, step back, and your hands move again to the left side of your hip. So one more time, sun, rise, up to the right and to the left. And lastly, we're going to jump and jump. So with your hands on your left hip, you're going to jump with your left leg. Okay, so left leg up and jump, and then put it down and switch to the right leg, jump and put it down. So like this, jump with your left and jump with your right. So again, we're going to jump with the left, jump with the right. Let's repeat from here. So it is sun, rise up, hand to the right, to the left, jump, jump. Let's repeat from the cut. So 7, 8, tequila, sun, rise up, hand to the right, to the left, jump, jump. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. The next 8 counts are 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. So after we jump and jump, we're going to squeeze. So with your left hand, take your cup, put it to the right side, and squeeze your lemon 2 times. Okay, with your right hand, squeeze. So when you squeeze the first time, step with the right forward, and when you squeeze the second time, step with the left forward. So it starts with lemon drop. Okay, after this, for this step, we're going to bring our hands up and then to the side. Okay, so from up, bring it to the side, and your right leg is going out like this, and then raise it up. So like kick it. Okay, kick your leg up. So it is squeeze, leg out, kick. And for this next move, we're going to raise our left leg up, then switch, right leg up, and then lastly, left leg up. Okay, so it's left, then right, then left. Then for your hands, you're going to cross, okay, on top of your chest, cross, then open like this, and then bring it down to your hips, okay, and look down. So it is cross, open to your hips. Okay, all together, cross, open to your hips. Okay, from the beginning, from lemon drop. Okay, so lemon drop, then kick, cross, open to your hips. After this, lastly, for this part, we're going to step out with our right leg and then step in and legs together. And your hands are going open 2 times, okay, to the top, like this. Okay, open, you step out, and again open, you're going to step in and legs together, like this. So from here, one more time, squeeze, then kick your leg, cross, open to your hips, open. One more time with counts. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And the last 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the song one more time says tequila, tequila. So just repeat the move we did before. And then sunrise, the same move we did before, but instead of looking to the right, we're going to look to the front. Okay? So step forward, okay, to the front. So let's repeat this last part. So from here, tequila, tequila, sun. Rise, then we go back to our place on 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, back to our place. And this was the last part. I'm not going to explain the post-chorus because it's mostly freestyle. So with the chorus only is okay. Let's repeat from the beginning. So lemon drop, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Tequila, tequila, sun, rise. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.